I've just been shopping. Got a trolley jack, some car stands. Let's get some wheels off. Yeah, so she's got to get up for a few reasons. One reason is obviously going to change these wheels, but when she was at the mechanics, we covered a few faults. We've got some stripped out bolts here. Yeah, so both of those are only being held on by 3 bolts at the moment. So I've got to fix that. New wheels, new bolts. Also want to get on the list is new exhaust, and I need to get the fuel tank out if it's got a leak in it. Yeah, so I'm going to unbox this stuff and see if I can get off the ground. Wish me luck. Okay, she's up. Seems to be holding quite nicely. Yeah, the first time I've done that. One of these wheels is seized. It's the back left. Yeah, the mechanic had a look at it. Oh, it's actually moving now. It's interesting. Let's see if we can get these wheels off. Man, that was a rookie error. I go to take the wheels off. And just spinning the bloody thing around. Should have loosened them off before I got her up off the ground. Maybe I can find something that's shock under there. Yeah, we'll try that. Yeah, so it'll work. I'll put it down, loosen them off, get it back up there again. Now, take these wheels off, let that down. Yep. I don't think there's going to be any repercussions of taking these off before. Take off the other side. Anyway, we'll soon find out. Well, this is cool though, I've never taken the wheels off. Ooh, the one out wash. Oh yeah, the washers are in there too. Well, make sure I get them out. See, all the weight is on the nut. Fucking stupid. What a stupid setup. You know what I mean? They should be coming out of the hub. Now, this was a brake that was seized, but moving a bit freely. Try and clean those up a bit. Don't know how. Give me a sand them or just clean the rust on them. I'll do some research. Anyway, that's cool. Jack them back up. Stand back on there. Beautiful. A little bit more. Like a glove. Yes. Not sure if you can read this. Right hand front wheel. So yeah, all I'm doing is just putting the bolts, plastic bag, what will they come off? You can put them on my drawer tricks, just so I can keep track of them. Coffee time. Thought I'd take time to appreciate this new aspect of the car. You know what I'm going to try and do? Just going to try and sit that gold rim just on the hub there, see what she looks like. Yeah, it'll be a bit of fun, but anyway. Cheers. I was hoping to get the new wheel on, just to sit it on there to see what it looked like against the bare metal, but the bolts that came with the old ones do not fit, do not go through there, which is also, like, I don't know if this is a Fiat 128 thing, but these hubs set up, it's just really weird how the wheel bolts into the hub as opposed to the wheel, you know what I mean? Sitting on the hub, and then you put a nut on there. It seems that this setup, all the weight would transfer over onto the wheels as opposed to the chassis of the car, but I don't know. I just sent Matt at Midwest Bayless an email. I'm just ordering some parts from those guys, so I'm just wondering if they have hubs for these which have the, you know, bolts built in. Put the wheel on, put the nuts on, makes sense. If not, stay with these, and I just have to get new bolts for the four wheels. See, I can't play with my wheels. I might just do a little bit of sanding. Quick wrap up. Managed to get the car up off the ground with my new gear I got yesterday, the jack and the jack stands. So yeah, that was a success. Car didn't fall over or kill me. Gonna be happy with that. Also, it was good to find that rear brake is no longer seized. It's still a bit grippy, but I'll do a bit of research and find out how I can free all that up, find out what I can and can't spray on it. Then I was going to, yeah, so get all the wheels off. Those shitty wheels. Put something a bit more formidable on here. Yeah, which made me figure out when I tried to put the gold one on, just have a look that the bolts don't fit. And also whether or not I can get hubs on this thing with the bolts on the hubs. And then I did a bit more sanding and yeah, check the roof out. So close to getting the roof done. Just that bit there. And there's a bit of rust there. So I reckon I would like to finish that off tomorrow. Just so I can get some anchor wax on it pretty quickly because it's almost there. Biggest part of the car. Happy with that. Okie dokies. Till next time.